the Stay on Hawaii series, we went on a Jurassic Park helicopter ride and saw the beautiful Kauai from the sky. Visited the town that Lilo and Stitch was based after, checked out the beautiful Tunnel Beach, and learned a bit of history and culture. Good morning. We're going to the Na Pali Coast today. It's a boat tour that takes you all the way on the other side of the island, and it's supposed to be the most beautiful part.
I've lost them before.
We are going to the boat.
Oh no, with your words on repeat, I will break like a twig right under your feet. Don't you say that you didn't want me. You turned me upside down and then you into my bed and under my skin. Where will it end if I let it begin? So bittersweet, you know life's too short, so let's not waste another minute. Hey, it's alright now. Listen to such a beautiful sound. Hey, it's alright now, but I don't know if I can take another go round.
So the first Jurassic Park movie where they flew into the island, there's Joan right here, guys. So yeah, they flew right here. Also, so-called rediscovered Hawaii. Also, he found that these ropes and these Hawaiians were making a lot more durable, a lot more denser. You guys look at the point right there. You see where the cliff meets the sea? Kind of looks like a gorilla face with its tongue poking out. It's called Makui Hiki, the little guardian of the Napali. They say once you're on Makui Hiki, you're able to see the whole Napali coastline. The same from yesterday. Then it is they prayed to their god Kane. He then threw his spear on the side of the cliff, which then created a crack, which then started naturally flowing the spring-fed waterfall.
Many places along this coast is sacred. They told us that bones are sacred to the Hawaiian people, referred to as iwi. They believe that the bones hold spiritual power. To protect the power and prevent the bones from falling into the wrong hands, burial locations for chiefs were often kept secret. Somewhere in those cliff caves and remote valleys lay their chiefs' bones.
Also along with this beach as well.
to the hotel now for a second just to grab some food and freshen up a little. Then we're going back to the east side of the island. But that was really cool. We saw a bunch of spinner dolphins, which was super cool. They call spinner dolphins because they spin. And they said that the scientists were trying to figure out why they do the spinning. And it's just for fun, really. I mean, they don't really need to do it out of necessity. It's really just dolphins having fun. We are back! If you come to Kauai, it's only valet parking. So you basically just park it up front and they'll park it for you.
And some cutlery for my wife.
So I got my food from yesterday. Ta-da! Gnocchi with lobster. It looks amazing. So cool. There's a rainbow. Chickens everywhere. That waterfall was so beautiful. It's called Wailua Falls and it's so pretty. It's like a nice drive up here. Lots of vegetation, but you can't hike down because it's dangerous.
Same as the other spot, but could be.
This is Kapaʻa. It's the old town and they have a lot of little food trucks here. It's really, really nice, but they're all closed today because there is a graduation happening. That's our hotel. It's called Kauai. Right in the middle there is the pool bar, which has amazing pokeball, and right here is the Poipu Beach where people can surf. So beautiful. I'm just out here to watch the sunset, but it looks like there might not be a sunset today. We're going for breakfast now, then we're gonna head to the plantation, the Kauai Plantation, and then check out the Poipu Beach today and see if we can see some turtles. This place is called Koloa, and it's like a super cute historical town with like a couple of food, and they have t-shirts and souvenirs. It's really nice. It's a good place to stop. The mountains are so beautiful.
That looks probably full. That's why people are starting to park here.
Yeah, I think. We're going to the train ride. It's in Kauai Plantation. I'm gonna get some tickets now. They have it running at 11, 12, 1, 2. It's basically like a really old train, and it takes you through the plantation, and then it explains to you about the fruits and some history about the island. So it's gonna be really cool.
Take a train ride just to see you.
Welcome to Kauai Plantation Railway. 40 minutes. There's no room for animal abuse in this world. He's an honorary beast. Poor Gertrude, she's always pregnant. Red Bull is a busy man. They will never, ever bite you. Be patient with the horse. We are going to disembark out the rear of your cabin.
No, I didn't. Yes, I got this one. What's up, man?
So the train plantation is super cool. I think it was like a 40-minute ride. We also got to try some lychees, which he plucked from the tree. He also told us that all of the fruits here and all of the produce here are given away to people, like to the locals or people in need. Take care of their people, and they take care of the island, you know, and they also saved a couple of animals. So it's kind of like an animal sanctuary as well.
No, it shows an 18 bucks. No, I mean, that's just
Going to get some shaved ice at Wailua Shaved Ice. I heard that this one has one of the top 5 shaved ice in Kauai. The ube one. Oh my god, this looks amazing. This is the musubi truck, which is basically like rice with spam and seaweed. This place is so freaking good. Oh my gosh, you need to come here. Oh my god. It's actually so good. We're gonna come back to take some away with us to the airport. 2 musubis for the flight because it's so freaking good. We just got the OG one, just like the regular one. They have a bunch of other ones too, but I think it's gonna get pretty messy when we eat on the flight. So got these ones, easy peasy, super tasty. Unfortunately, this brings us to the end of our Hawaii trip. I hope you enjoyed exploring Kauai as much as I did. There's 3 parts to this series, so if you haven't watched the previous ones, you should check that out. Thanks for hanging with me. Like and subscribe to explore this insanely beautiful planet. Take care. Bye.